In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on this Ford Escape. Let's get into it. Grab the arm, slide it up slightly, then you can grab the blade, try to pop it off. If you're struggling with that, just take a straight blade screwdriver. You can get underneath the blade and just pop it out. You're just trying to get in between here and the arm. Just pop. Now with the new blade, there's this little piece. We want to slide that off. We're not going to use that. You can see that looks like the old one. There's a little rod that you need to get in between that little retainer. Just get that lined up. And then just lock it in place and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.